Hi, my name is Marion, but everybody calls me Mare. I'm a loctician. I started doing locks back in 2001. So I went on YouTube and that's where I found Yanni. And since about oh my gosh, I can't even remember how long it was, but when my mom locked her hair, I started following Yanni, and I always say, I want her to teach me. I want her to teach me. I want to check out her school because back then she was teaching back then too. And I would always say, I want to learn, I want to do it. But she was way in New Jersey, and I was way in Georgia, so it was kind of hard for me, with the things that I was going through in my own life. So fast forward to 2019, I'm still doing hair, and at this point now, I'm a career postal letter carrier for the United States Postal Service. 2019, I decided to take my loctician, my lock skills seriously, and I enrolled in Yanni's school. Um, 2020, about March, that's when COVID happened. I got a lot of confidence in myself whenever I enrolled in Yanni's school. People would look at my styles and be like, "Oh, this looks so amazing," but I never knew I had that much talent until I was pushed by Yanni, and I realized what my passion was. Yanni helped me with marketing. Yanni helped me learn the business. I got so confident that I walked away from my job. I left it because just it was just amazing how everything happened, and with the mentoring included, I was able to walk away, and right now I am doing very well. My goal was to have at least 30 clients. I'm knocking on about 80 right now, and I'm still being mentored by Miss Yanni. That's my girl. I love her. And she's so passionate about what she does. Her teaching style is excellent. She sees something in me, so I need that push. So that's my story. I don't want to keep going on, but I could talk for hours.